Just want to thank everybody for watching this video. Subscribe and like as it helps the station out. Stay tuned for future giveaways. And don't forget, when you come to Las Vegas and you want to get away from all the rigmarole, or you just want to see sightseeing, hiking, or actually in the winter, they actually have a ski resort. I am not near the ski resort right now. Or, or if you want to go to a church, there's other things to do, is what I'm saying. Hey, it's nice. It's nice. The gambling, the show business, glamorous, the wedding chapels, the cigar shots, dispensaries, else. But it's also nice to get away. And in the summer, it's 30 degrees cooler. There's a little bit of running water up top. Just a nice 45-minute getaway. This is Mount Charleston, Nevada. Once again, thank you for watching, and have a beautiful, beautiful, blessed day.
Sí, ya, allá abajo. Está, es buen.
Just beautiful.
Got you, Daddy.
Oliver, come on, dude. Go get the sled. Go get the sled. Bring the shoe.
I gotta leave in a little bit. It's like a blizzard. A blizzard. I don't know if you can see it, but it is. Look at it. It's accumulating. Now, certainly it's not like Tahoe, but man, winter wonderland. Jarnett, I love it. For now, well, enjoy the next video. Very bad condition, need 4-wheel drive. Very bad. Expecting 2 feet.